In this video, I am going to show you how to display a simple text and a number on the screen of this Wi-Fi LoRa 32 V3 module from Heltec Automation. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel to stay updated when I post new videos. First, we have to prepare Arduino IDE to work with ESP32. So now, go to the Heltec Automation website and access their ESP32 series general docs. We will first need this code, which helps Arduino IDE find the right board and library stuff. You can also get it from the resource page or NyBot.cc website. Once you've found the link, right-click, select Copy, and select Copy. Open the Arduino IDE, click on File, then Preferences. Proceed to File. Select Preferences. If there is any other text present, do not modify it. Simply press Enter. The cursor will move down where you can paste the copied URL. After this, click OK. The system will then start downloading the package for Heltec. On the left side, click on the board icon and type Heltec ESP32. Number 32, you will find this ESP32 series dev board. Please click Install. You'll notice that LoRa version 3 is also included and will be installed. Please wait for this process to complete. Once done, a message stating Successful will appear. Now, proceed by clicking on the library and typing Heltec in the search bar. Although it shows installed, it's an outdated version in my case. Therefore, you will find Heltec dev boards. Please click on Update Install. This applies to your situation as well. If you click on File, then Examples, click on Heltec ESP32 dev boards, then OLED, and finally on Simple Demo. This is the code. Please click to upload it. Allow me to reboot. With this code, you'll witness a comprehensive demonstration. Feel free to utilize it for any purpose you desire. It's remarkable, offering solutions for a multitude of applications: circular bars, progress bars, Wi-Fi logos, and text. This code will display a simple text on the screen. With a certain number, this will prepare you for the next video where we will send the actual temperature. This line initializes the screen, and the line display temperature shows the value. This is merely a function that prints the temperature. I will return to this later. This is vexed external on and off, which turns on the screen. This function activates pin 36, which is defined within the code for the screen. Here, the screen is being cleared and a value is sent to it with a 1. I will discuss the significance of 1 or 2 shortly. We have included a 2-second delay, and that concludes this portion. Now, let's move on to this function, which receives a temperature double. As for the unit, it sets the alignment and text size, then prints the text at coordinates x0, y0. We are adjusting the text size, increasing it to 24. This line verifies the unit. If it's set to 1, we will display it on the screen. The temperature we receive is converted to a string. In this line, we are simply appending or adding the degree Celsius symbol. If it's set to 2, the unit will be Fahrenheit. If it's neither, the unit is unknown. This line prints the temperature on X20, which moves 20 pixels down and starts from character pixel 0. The text for this is then printed. Here's a demonstration of the text that we send to the screen. This is a simulated temperature reading. There is no sensor. Nothing is connected. It's purely for demonstration. This way, we learn how to print both text and numbers. Now I am changing the unit to 2 and uploading it so we can view the temperature in Fahrenheit. Now we observe Fahrenheit. It functions successfully. I will be creating numerous video series for this product. Please ensure that you subscribe to my channel. This way, you will receive notifications whenever I post a new video. The links for the other videos can be found in the description below this video. Imagine transmitting temperature data over distances ranging from 0.9 miles to 7 miles for free, using a compact LoRa module. Hello, welcome to a product tutorial by NyBot. In this video, we will explore the use of the meshnology Wi-Fi LoRa 32 version 3 OLED display. I will explain the module and its specifications. We will learn how to send simple text messages and receive them. Next, I will demonstrate how to display text on the OLED screen. Next, we will learn how to transmit temperature data and receive it on another device. Subsequently, I will test the transmission's distance range. Currently, I am 0.8 miles away. At 0.7 miles away, we are still